In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wise account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Wise website. Make sure you're on the correct site before continuing, since this is where you'll be entering your account details. Wise is an international money platform that lets you send, receive, and manage money across different currencies. So creating your account properly from the start is important. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button. It's usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Click on it to begin the registration process. This will take you to the account creation page where you can enter your details and set everything up. Next, enter your email address in the sign up form. Use an email address that you actively access, since Wise may send important verification messages and account-related updates there. It's a good idea to double check the spelling before moving forward, because even a small typo can prevent you from receiving confirmation emails. After entering your email, continue through the prompts on the screen. At this point, Wise will guide you through the remaining setup steps. Follow each instruction carefully and provide the requested information as accurately as possible. Depending on your region and the type of account you want to create, you may be asked for a few additional details to complete the setup. As you go through the process, take your time reading each page before clicking ahead. That helps you avoid mistakes and makes it easier to understand what each option means. If you're creating the account for personal use, be sure to choose the appropriate account type if that option appears. If you're setting it up for business use, make sure you select the correct category so the account matches your needs from the beginning. Also, keep an eye on any verification steps that appear during sign-up. Some platforms require email confirmation or identity checks before the account is fully ready to use. If you're asked to confirm your email, simply open your inbox and follow the link sent by Wise. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you've followed the remaining steps and submitted your information, your Wise account setup should be complete or nearly complete, depending on any verification requirements. From there, you can sign in and start exploring the features available in your account. And that's how to create a Wise account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.